To stay competitive as a surveyor, you need a reliable tool that's easy to use, safe, and gets you high accuracy every time. Meet WingtraRAY, the drone made for surveyors, for faster results and total confidence in the field. From large area mapping projects to quick site jobs, this drone is the most cost-effective surveying tool. It empowers you to survey over 1,300 acres in a single 1-hour flight. So you can complete projects up to 10 times faster than multicopters and 30 times faster than terrestrial methods. And thanks to vertical takeoff and landing, you only need a small space to launch, even near trees or structures. Safety features like backup battery power, dual telemetry, and obstacle avoidance are built in to give you total peace of mind. You'll know where your drone is and that it will return home safely. And if you're struggling with permissions and compliance, we got you. WingtraRAY features a parachute add-on for operations over people and moving vehicles. This unlocks 2 to 3 times more jobs for you in urban areas. So for 98% of the US territory, WingtraRAY doesn't need any waivers to fly over populated areas. And around the world, our certifications and safety features fast-track your permissions. Plus, having certifications for AUVSI's green and DIU's blue cleared lists means you're pre-approved even for sensitive projects. WingtraRAY also works with powerful sensors, covering everything from LiDAR to multispectral to photogrammetry, so you can rely on one tool for all your jobs. So when you need high accuracy at scale to map urban areas for a cadastre, detect airfield cracks with millimeter-level resolution, deliver a DTM model of a vegetated area with LiDAR, or run frequent cut and fill analysis, you can do it all within one end-to-end drone surveying platform. What does that mean? You save time and costs at each step of your survey. Plan your flight with Wingtra Cloud and share it across teams. Follow the steps to easily set up your ground control on-site with Wingtra Ground. Then capture the data with WingtraRAY. Wingtra Cloud will process the data for you and make it available to share with your team or customers. It's really that easy. Speed up large projects and deliver critical data on the same day. WingtraRAY, the drone made for surveyors.